Children, now I'm going to teach you hands-on activity. This is table, paper table. So I want you to do. Let me show you how to do. We are going to do the table. How to create the table? Open the paper like this and then fold the side leg. Do it slowly. You can ask mommy or daddy to help you. And then fold again. Slowly. And then insert the side in between the edges. Like that. Again. Number 2. This is number 3. Slowly. Yes, the table going to come ready. The last one, the edges. Yes, push it inside. Yes, like that. And then slowly bring it down. Children, what is this? This is table. Table, table. Small letter T. T for table. I hope you will try at home. Thank you.